In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into the process, shall we? Your first step is to head on over to your Odoo homepage. Here, you'll be adjusting various settings, so make sure you're logged in to access all the features. Once you're on the home screen, the next move is to find and click on the Website tab. This will take you into the Website module where you can manage your site effectively. After that, look for the Configuration option in the menu. This is where you'll find additional settings that you need to tweak for your blog creation. Now here's an important step. Click on Blogs. This option will take you to the blogging section of Odoo. You might find that this area is quite user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. To actually start creating your blog, you'll want to click on the New button. This option is usually located in the top right corner and is your gateway to creating fresh blog content. Once you've clicked on New, a form will appear. Here, you need to enter the blog name and subtitle. Be creative. Your title is your first impression, so make it catchy. Once you've entered that impressive title, don't forget to click Save. It's a quick but crucial step. Now that your blog is set up, it's time to actually see it. Navigate to the front end of your website to see what your audience will experience. You want to ensure everything looks great before sharing it with the world. Back in your Odoo panel, find the plus New button located in the top right corner of the navigation bar and click it. From the drop-down options, select Blog Post. This will allow you to create individual posts that will fall under the blog you just started. In the next step, you'll need to select the specific blog category you want your new post to appear under. After that, go ahead and type in the title of your post, which should relate closely to your content. Once that's sorted, remember to click Save. Here's where the fun really starts. You can utilize Odoo's drag-and-drop building blocks to add visuals and customize the layout of your post. You can add text, images, columns, and even quotes to make your blog post engaging. It's a fantastic way to personalize your content. And finally, when your post is polished and ready for the readers, you need to toggle the Unpublished switch to Published. This little action is your ticket to unveiling your thoughts and ideas to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a blog in Odoo. It's really as simple as following these steps. Make sure to keep experimenting with different post styles and contents to find what resonates best with your readers. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Happy blogging!